Let me give you a small example. I think all of you see movies? Yes? Right. So I think one movie is going on, a popular movie. I think there is one RRR. Okay? Let me ask you one question. There are certain heroes. I'll give you a multiple choice. One choice is Prabhas. And another choice is, can you name another hero for me? Huh? No, NTR is there. Huh? Allu Arjun. Okay. Another name? Mahesh Babu. Right. Now I'll give you a question, none of the above. Now tell me what is the answer you'll give me. What is the answer you'll give me? Tell me. Mahesh Babu is there in it? Oh, you want a question. Who is the hero in this? This is the question. What is the answer? Can you please be a bit louder? I'm hard of hearing. Huh? None of the above. What does that mean? None of these people are there. Somebody else is there in it. Is it not so? Now look at the way the Election Commission has been doing its work. You have a EVM, and in the EVM you have the list of candidates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and then you have a NOTA. Suppose if all the people in the country, or say for example majority people in the country vote NOTA, what happens? What should happen first of all? What should happen? Please. We don't want any of this content, we want somebody else. But what happens? Majority of these will be winning. This is the structure that we have. The functioning is different. When you say none of the above here, that means that we don't want any of these people. Is it not so? They are not there. Somebody else has to be there. But in the Election Commission, in the EVMs, you'll find a NOTA, and when you vote for the NOTA, what happens is that, one of these people, 1 or 2 or 3, whatever is that, whoever gets majority of the votes, it may be even one vote. So this fellow gets 10, this fellow gets 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, this fellow will win. See the functioning? Structure is there. Whenever we look at EVMs, we think we are very proud. We say, see, we have got electronic voting machine where people can directly decide who shall be the next legislator. And we say we have given an opportunity for people to decide and say that, these are not the people. Does it happen? What should happen? There should be all these candidates should be removed, and there should be another ballot. That is the verdict of the people, is it not so? Suppose if 75 people have voted for NOTA, what does it mean? That the list has to be discarded. The candidature of all the 7 candidates has to be discarded, and somebody else has to be contested, and then we should choose our vote. Does it happen? Structure and functioning are completely different. Structure is there, but functioning is not there. I think there is a song, Vatamma, what is this? Maiku undiga ani paataledu, something like that. Is it not so? I don't know. There is a light bulb, there is a structure. There is a structure here, but it is not functioning. Structure would be there, but functioning is different. So in polity, what is important is, we have to look at the functioning of the organs, not just the structure of the organs. Structure of the organs is always remains the same. But the dynamics don't happen in the structure. Dynamics happen in the functioning. So what we'll have to do in the polity is not just to study the structure, which you do almost. I think each of you know every single article of the Indian Constitution by heart, by rote. If I ask you what is Article 1, 2, 3, you will tell me. Right? But that is not what is wanted. What is wanted is what is the impact, how does it function? Functioning of the organs of the government is valid polity.